Hello. Today we're going to learn how to measure 5 milliliters using a volumetric pipette. Now, a volumetric pipette is designed to deliver just one volume, 5.00 milliliters. That's what the precision of this instrument is. As you can see, we will draw up liquid until we reach this line that is on the neck of our pipette. Okay. In order to draw up the liquid, we're going to use a pipette pump, and this pump has a wheel up here that will draw up the liquid, and it has a release valve which will allow the liquid to come out of the pipette. Now, in order to measure out or to draw liquid up, we need to put liquid into another clean, dry vessel. We don't want to ever put the pipette into a reagent bottle. For one, it will contaminate all the reagents for the rest of the lab. So I'm going to pour some water into my test tube here. And this test tube that I'm using, I want to make sure there's 5 milliliters in here. This test tube that I'm using is 150 millimeters long and holds about 25 milliliters. And so if I'm at a quarter to a half, I know there's 5 mils in my test tube. So I have a beaker here, and if I'm going to look at the density of water, I would get the mass of my clean, dry beaker. And I'm going to use my pipette. So in order to put the pipette into the pump, hold the pipette close to the end and gently twist into your pipette pump. Now, to draw up the liquid, we want this at eye level. So you're going to put the tip of the pipette in the test tube, in the liquid in the test tube, and you're going to use this wheel to draw up the liquid. And you want to draw up the liquid till it is above this line in the neck. And then you're going to lower that meniscus so the bottom of the meniscus goes to the top of that line that's in the pipette at eye level. So you want this to be level with your eye. Okay. Once that liquid is at the meniscus is at that line, go ahead and transfer the pipette to a beaker, and you're going to release the liquid down into the beaker. It's drawing down, and I'm going to hold the tip of the pipette along the wall of the beaker to help the liquid be transferred to the beaker itself. Now, this pipette is rated TD, which means to deliver. So it's going to deliver 5.00 milliliters of liquid, and it will have just a little bit of liquid only in the tip, not on the walls of the glass, just in the tip. To remove the pipette, gently twist out, just like as we twisted in, and now I have 5.00 milliliters in my beaker. Thank you.